I was waiting such a long time for this memorable day, and I never just can't forget this day.
I was waiting from so many days for this moment. I'm feeling very happy.
I completed this UCMAS course of a 10th level.
UCMAS Mental Arithmetic India Private Limited for having given this rare opportunity, unique opportunity. And we thank the global office.
P. Radhakrishnan, IPS, Inspector General of Police, Training, Government of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Chris, Marketing Director, UCMAS Global Office, Malaysia. 1025 UCMAS students would receive the graduation honors today.
Mr. T. Radhakrishnan, IPS, the Inspector General of Police, Training Government of Tamil Nadu. Today we witnessed one of the most important events of UCMAS, where they may be graduate for the UCMAS program today, but they are still a long way for them to go. And this is only a rehearsal for them. When they grow up, they will graduate from the university. On the UCMAS program itself, it was proven in so many countries, not only in Malaysia, in India. It will be keep on, the research will be ongoing. And there are so many researchers done in China, in Mongolia, in Japan. Yeah, and most recently there's a research ongoing from the University of Canada, and we hope that when the result is out, then we can present to all of you.
Mr. Basir Ahmed, Mr. Chris, Mr. Sekhar, and I have to thank your parents who seized the opportunity of utilizing this kind of services, who are really enlightened. I can call the parents enlightened because you have chosen the right thing at the right moment for your children. You have chosen to give the correct knowledge through correct means at correct time. For that I congratulate you, and I am really happy. And in fact, I remember having used abacus when I was in the first standard and second standard. You have been giving the right skills, right imaging skills, right knowledge of listening, the right amount of concentration, the right amount of creativity, the right amount of self-confidence. All these things, they come because of knowledge. Knowledge is power. If you have knowledge, all other things flow in automatically. If the children have got knowledge, adequate knowledge, they are empowered. And they automatically grow up as self-confident, self-reliant children.
So after joining UCMAS, she has shown improvement in all other activities and education, this thing. So in all education aspects, she is getting A+ only after joining UCMAS. So it's for children overall development, mind development for children. We are feeling good.
I am very happy because I completed this UCMAS course of a 10th level.
How long you are studying this abacus? How many years you are studying?
3 years.
3 years. You have completed.
Yes.
Now you got the graduation
Yes.
certificate with the rope, everything you got it.
Yes.
It is very easy to put maths.
Calculate, maths, everything. Very good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm so happy about him completing all the 10 levels, and I feel so proud of him.
I feel it's very easy to do maths in the school with this.
Yeah, we are really proud. So, in fact, we are so proud of our son who has made us a honor to get this done.
Graduation.
Yeah.
Graduation.
Yeah. So it is a real opportunity for him to do a better maths in school.
Now she is good in mathematics. She can do all the calculations very easily.
I am very happy to completed the UCMAS abacus.
Really, it's a great event. So we feel happy after achieving at 8 levels, and also the satisfaction of the parents, and totally taking in a franchise of UCMS. We are much satisfied, and also the good service we are receiving overall.